Prepare to be amazed. Contrary to popular belief, lions don't actually inhabit jungles. Strap in as we delve into more astonishing lion facts that will challenge everything you thought you knew. Lions, the regal creatures of the savannah, are renowned not only for their formidable roar. Did you know that the roar of a lion can be heard from as far as 5 miles away? It's akin to hearing a concert from several blocks away. Adding to the intrigue, despite their moniker, lions are not jungle dwellers. They traverse the expansive grasslands and thick scrublands of Africa and some regions of India. Moreover, lions are the most sociable among all big cats. They form groups known as prides, which can include up to 30 lions. Picture those family gatherings. Furthermore, a lion can indulge in sleep for up to 20 hours a day. That's what you call a real power nap. So, the next time you hit the snooze button, remember, you're resting just like a lion. Keep watching for more positively incredible animal facts.
What happens when Mother Nature decides to get a little quirky? Meet the champion of strange in the animal kingdom. Picture this, an animal that looks like it's been assembled from parts of other animals. It's got the body of a mole, the snout of a duck, and it swims like an otter. Sounds like something out of a mad scientist's lab, right? Well, meet the platypus. Native to Australia, this oddball lays eggs like a bird but feeds its young milk like a mammal. And just when you think it couldn't get weirder, guess what? The male platypus has spurs on its hind legs that can deliver venom. Yes, venom. Not enough to take down a human, but enough to make you think twice about giving it a cuddle. So next time you're feeling a bit odd, just remember, you've got nothing on the platypus. Stay wild and keep exploring the corners of our natural world.
What I wish I knew before adopting my cat instead of learning the hard way? Well, buckle up because here's the scoop on our perfect companions. First off, if you've ever seen your cat fall and land on its feet, you've witnessed the magic of the righting reflex. Kittens can do this at just 3 weeks old. Next, ever wonder why your cat loves squishing into tiny boxes? Scientists say it's because the confined space makes them feel safe and secure. Talk about finding comfort in snug places. And here's a quirky one. Cats can make over 100 different sounds. Dogs, only about 10. That's right, your kitty is the Mozart of the animal kingdom. Last but not least, cats sleep for about 70% of their lives. Makes you wish you were a cat in your next life, huh? I'm sure you've heard the news about dolphins being smart, right? But how much do you really know about these aquatic geniuses? Let's splash into some surprising dolphin truths. Dolphins aren't just smart, they're incredibly social creatures too. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds and even have unique names for one another, just like us. Ever watched a dolphin leap high above the waves? That's not just for fun. They do it to save energy by traveling faster and sometimes to communicate or remove parasites. And here's a heartwarmer. Dolphins have been known to help humans and other animals in distress. There are countless stories of dolphins guiding lost swimmers to safety or protecting them from sharks. But it's not all smooth sailing. Dolphins face threats from pollution, fishing nets, and habitat loss. By keeping our oceans clean and supporting marine sanctuaries, we can help ensure that these amazing creatures thrive. Ready to snap into some wild crocodile truths you've never heard before? Did you know crocodiles can't stick out their tongues? Yep, it's physically impossible for them. And they have a crazy strong bite, but their opening strength? So weak, a human could hold it shut with bare hands. Crocs also cry, but not because they're sad. It's actually to clean their eyes. Ever heard of a crocodile's death roll? It's their wild spinning move to catch meals. Also, crocodiles can live up to a century. That's right, some crocs might be older than your grandma. Are you baffled by the brainpower of the ocean's most mysterious creature? Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third sends it to the rest of the body. And when they swim, the heart that delivers blood to the body actually stops beating. These creatures are master escape artists. They can squeeze through any gap larger than their beak. That's the only hard part of their body. Speaking of escape, did you know an octopus can jet propel itself by shooting water out of its body? Talk about a speedy getaway. Although octopuses are colorblind, they can adjust their skin color and texture to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Now that's what I call a real-life invisibility cloak. And for the grand finale, octopuses are brainiacs. They can solve puzzles, navigate mazes, and even use tools. Some have been spotted carrying coconut shells as portable hiding spots. So think you're clever? Next time you have a tough problem to solve, maybe ask an octopus for some tips. Ready for a deep dive? Here are 5 shark facts that are sure to make a splash. First up, did you know that sharks have been around for about 400 million years? That's right, they were cruising the oceans even before dinosaurs roamed the earth. Moving on, sharks are like swimming noses. They can smell a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized pool. Talk about a sensational sniffer. Now here's a twist. Not all sharks have the scary teeth we imagine. The whale shark, the largest fish in the sea, actually has tiny teeth and prefers to filter feed. like a massive, friendly vacuum cleaner. Fact number 4, sharks can go into a trance. When flipped upside down, they enter a state called tonic immobility. This has helped researchers handle sharks safely. And for our final mind blower, sharks help keep the ocean healthy. By preying on the sick and weak, they ensure the health and diversity of marine life. There you have it, folks. 5 facts proving sharks are more fascinating than frightful. If your idea of paradise includes crystal clear waters and astounding biodiversity, then you're a certified reef adventurer. Spanning over 1,400 miles off the coast of Australia, the Great Barrier Reef is not just a reef, but a massive living structure visible from outer space. Here you'll swim alongside sleek turtles, gaze at colorful corals, and maybe, just maybe, find yourself racing with a dolphin. It's not just about underwater exploration though, the reef also offers pristine white sand beaches and islands that are perfect for when you want to soak up some sun or dive into a good book under a palm tree. And the best part, the reef is a great spot all year round thanks to Australia's fantastic climate. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the adventure of a lifetime and uncover the treasures of the Great Barrier Reef. Why are there not more people talking about the underwater marvels of the Great Barrier Reef? Dive with us as we uncover its top 5 incredible inhabitants. First up, the charismatic clownfish, forever famous as Nemo. Nestled in the safety of anemones, these colorful swimmers are not just pretty, they're tough survivors. Then there's the majestic manta ray. With wingspans wider than a car, these gentle giants glide through the reef like underwater ballet dancers. Next, the reef shark, the misunderstood patroller of the reef. Far from being the villains of the sea, these sleek predators are crucial for keeping the ecosystem balanced. Don't blink or you'll miss the quick and quirky parrotfish. These vibrant creatures play a key role in reef health by munching on algae and pooping out sand. Last but not least, the regal sea turtle. These ancient mariners have been visiting the Great Barrier Reef for millions of years, adding a touch of grace to its waters. There you have it, the Great Barrier Reef's top 5 superstar animals. Ever wondered what makes bald eagles not just survivors but rulers of the sky? Let's dive into some jaw-dropping facts. Did you know that bald eagles aren't actually bald? Their name comes from an Old English word meaning white-headed. These birds are renowned for their incredible vision, which is about 4 to 8 times stronger than that of the average human. Imagine spotting a rabbit from 2 miles away. Moving on, bald eagles can reach speeds up to 100 miles per hour when diving for prey. That's faster than a cheetah in full sprint. And speaking of prey, these eagles have a fierce grip. Their talons can exert an astonishing 400 pounds per square inch of pressure. To put that in perspective, that's like the bite of a large dog. Here's another cool fact. Bald eagles are known for their impressive nest-building skills. The largest bald eagle nest ever recorded was about 10 feet wide and weighed over 2 tons. That's like parking a car in a tree. Now, to wrap it up, did these facts amaze you as much as they did us? Why do 100% of nature lovers dream of witnessing the aurora borealis? Because it's not just lights, it's a celestial dance. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing waves of green, purple, and red lights dancing above you. That's the northern lights for you. An awe-inspiring natural spectacle. These lights are actually collisions between electrically charged particles from the sun that enter the Earth's atmosphere. Most visible in high-latitude regions like Norway and Iceland, this light show is best seen during cold, dark nights from September to March. But did you know every aurora is unique? No 2 shows are ever the same. Scientists even use them to study the atmosphere's health. So, next time you're planning a chilly adventure, why not chase the most spectacular light show on Earth? Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature's secrets unveiled.